Hello guys, it's Danielle here from Kids, Balloons and Toys, and we have a giant balloon surprise cake. Let's see what's hiding inside the cake. We'll just have to dig in. I'm gonna get into half. Now start with the icing's gone. Let's see where we can find some Thomas. Thomas has been playing with a Thomas birthday cake. Wow. Oh! Wow! Thomas is hiding in this birthday cake. I do not know where they went, so I have to find the biggest thing out first. Here is the Thomas Change X. Now we have to look for the Thomas Tinies! Let's see if it works. We have to find them. Where are they? Oh, they've been looking for hours. Where are they? Well, there's one. There's a Thomas Teenie. I'm Thomas Teenie. Let's see if I can find another one. Oh, there's one. Choo-choo. How about, where's another one? I'll just have to turn it around. And I'll just have to look for that one. For two more. 3, 4. Here's this. I didn't know, but this over here. Where is it? Let's see where the other one is. Let's turn it all the way around. There we go. I found one. Look at that. I've got 3 now. Where is that other one? I can't even find it. It's really hard to find the last one. There it is. There it is. Thomas Teenie. Thomas Teenie's out. Whoa. Now let's put the Thomas Teenie. Well, I think this thing's come off. Get it off! Oh, where's my voice rising? Where is it? Thomas gone. Where's it go? We'll have to go between them. Alright, let's just take off these trays. Right, let's see if we can. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and be our friends. Thank you. Bye. Now you can go to the same thing.